Welcome back, everybody. It's Rob. I'm here to do my unboxing of the Bud Lives. These came with my Samsung Note 20 Ultra. I got them in black, Mystic Black, and I'm going to go ahead and just do a quick unboxing of it. I'll probably wait till a little later to give you my first impressions, but I did promise an unboxing and that I will be getting this out to you. Real quick on the back, it has an ergonomic fit. It says 6 to 21 hours of playtime, triple mics for a clear call, and it does have active noise cancellation. Now, these are powered by AKG. So let's check them out. I already cut the size of it. I haven't really opened them up per se. And here's the case that it comes in. It does have a Samsung branding and powered by AKG. You may not be able to see that. See anything else in this box? A charging cable. All right. It is a C to A ports, and you do get a different set of rubber tips. I'm assuming for the earbuds themselves. I'm quite sure that's what they're for. Or what else? Why would they be in there? Okay, real nice. Open them up. They're already charging. They're labeled left and right, so you have to make sure you put them back in the charging cradle per what side they are. Okay, real nice. They got these little rubber tips around the actual earpiece. And they're got a little magnetic tip, so I'm assuming this is where the charging is conducted at. Real nice. I'm gonna put it in my ear off camera, let you know real quick. Okay. They do have a nice fit. When you place them in your ear, it's more from this type of shape. You see how the shape, it's not like, at first I put them in, it was more or less like this, and I was like, no, it didn't feel right. But it's more of a up and down, and it does fit your ear canal with this curve right here. So it does make for a nice snug fit. When I saw these and I was looking at other videos, it kind of made me think that it wouldn't be a very snug fit, but they actually are. So I'm kind of impressed with how they feel. I'm going to go ahead and get them, see if I can do a first time pairing with my Note 20. The magnets in here are real strong. Make sure I drop them in the right way. Yeah, these got some very strong magnets. All right. Bluetooth turned on. It's picking up the buds. Real nice animation. Cool. Check that. Connect. Gives you a quick breakdown of everything. Go ahead and give it permissions. The wearable app kicks in. Then it gives you some brief instructions on how to wear your earbuds. So that's cool. Got it. You're all set, ready to go. You have a section up here which says get to know it. There is an update ready to go on this. You have an equalizer. You have touch control settings for the outside, I'm assuming. Read your notifications aloud. It does have advanced Bixby voice. You do have a lab section where you can do gaming mode. I'm quite sure when you're gaming, you can use these as a way to have a more immersive playing time. You have a Find My Earbuds, so if you lose them, you can search and find them. There is an earbud software update. But for the most part, man, these are cool. You can charge them by placing them on the back of your phone. Seeing that the Note 20 Ultra does have reverse wireless charging. So really shouldn't be any problems with this. I am looking forward to this. I got a few runs and errands to go to run today. So I'm going to wear these and see how they go. But one ear has 79% power, the other's at 100, and the case itself is at 40. So that pretty much does it for the unboxing of the Galaxy Buds. If you have any questions, please leave those down below. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Other than that, catch everybody next video. I'm out.